The Active Offer is providing a service in Welsh without someone having to ask for it. Y cynnig rhagweithiol yw darparu gwasanaeth yn y Gymraeg heb i rywun orfod ofyn amdano. Are you a trustee? Ydych chi'n ymddiriedolwr? Do you work or volunteer in a third sector organisation here in Powys? If the answer is yes, then you might, as an organisation, want to provide your services through the medium of Welsh. Is it a task that you might consider it too overwhelming to give it a go? The Pavo Active Offer project can support you with this. Do you have a Welsh-speaking trustee, volunteer and/or staff member, a Welsh language action plan, access to bilingual informational resources? If you answered no to any of these, then get on board with the Active Offer project. You can make a start with our step-by-step approach, ein dull cam wrth gam. Something as simple as bilingual greetings, bore da, prynhawn da, and farewells, hwyl, diolch yn fawr, and cofio at the end of your emails and phone calls can be the first step in developing your organisation's Active Offer. Don't just be a part of the board, get on board with the Active Offer project. If you wish to know more about the project, contact us here. Our Active Offer resources are available for free download on the Active Offer webpage on the Pavo website. To achieve and deliver that much needed expertise and insight on Welsh language services, having a Welsh-speaking trustee or a commitment to the Active Offer can give your organisation some insight on where to start, where to develop, and what priorities to focus.